Trump wants to have an America First
America
policy.
first, yeah.
When it comes to the tawag dito, the foreign aid they're giving, no, to other countries. Kaya nagkaroon ng review, no, si Donald Trump when it comes to the policies that the government is enacting. At nakikita nga natin, sobrang swift, no, ng mga orders and yun, policies nga na ini-enact ni
Hard and
President
fast,
Trump. And
bro.
hard and fast.
Kaya bagay sila ni Duterte, bro, hard and fast. You know,
very, very swift sila, no, to enact their powers. But etong, well, still, no, kahit may freeze sa aid, di natin masasabing setback to. Of course, sasabihin ng gobyerno na it has no significant impact sa ating ano. Pero still, aid is aid, no? Money is money. And tawag dito, may magkakaroon pa rin to ng somehow an effect, no, to how we are implementing the projects na nanggagaling dito sa US aid. And this will boil down pa rin sa how Trump is basically changing the world order, no? 'Di ba?